Sir, now what I want to bring to your kind notice and inform this House and my learned friend from Congress and the Revenue Minister Saab is that always the injustice has been done to Muslims and in particular to the Waqf land, sir. I hope that at least now we will get some justice. We will get some justice, sir. So successive government have been enacting many legislations, as I have just said in the beginning of my speech, in last 75 years to take over the surplus lands of landholders. A year after police section right from 1948, erstwhile Hyderabad government enacted Jagir Abolition Act in September 1949, whereby the Jagirs of 975 Jagirs, mostly belonging to Muslim community, were abolished and taken over by the government, sir. And the Jagirdars, sir, they were given an amount of 12 crores, sir. Similarly, Inam Abolition Act, sir, was enacted in 1955, thereby disposing thousands of Inamdars, again mostly belonging to Muslim community of the lands, in all 12 lakh acres, sir. Not a small number, sir. मैंने अपनी तकरीर के इब्तिदा में कहा कि इनाम एबॉलिशन एक्ट, ऑनरेबल स्पीकर साहब, आपको सुन के हैरत होगी कि 12 lakh acres of Inam was taken over, sir. 12 lakh acres, sir. 12 lakh acres, sir. Were taken over by the government. A further blow was dealt to urban landowners, mostly Muslims in twin cities of Hyderabad and Secunderabad, with the enactment of Urban Land Ceiling Act in 1976, sir, under which 3,132 hectares of land was taken over by the government. 3,132 hectares, sir, hectares. So you can imagine 12 lakhs lost in Inam Abolition Act, 3,000 change in Urban Land Ceiling Act, sir. Sir, the erstwhile Prince of Hyderabad, late Mukram Jah, lost hundreds of acres, sir, of land. The government took over about 300 acres of Chiran Palace lands under the Urban Ceiling Act by paying a very small compensation to the Nizam, sir. Sir, I remember, sir, the then Rajshekhar Reddy Saab had auctioned the land, sir. Rajshekhar Reddy Saab had auctioned. Bhatti Saab was there. Ek land, Chiran Palace, which is Kasu Barman Reddy, we had auctioned. Sir, 1 acre was auctioned for 50 crores of rupees then. 50 crores then, sir, near the Jubilee Hills checkpost. Now, lovely, beautiful residential apartments are coming up there. Then also, me and my party, we had opposed it, sir. But nobody listened, sir. The green belt. तो मैं बताना ये चाहता हूं कि कोई भी दूध के धुले नहीं है, सर. Whether it is Congress, whether it is TDP, whether it is BRS, जैसे जैसे जब जब जो भी फायदा और चुमटियां लेना था, लेते रहे, sir. So similarly, the ex-Nizam has disposed of several hundred acres of land adjoining to Falaknuma and other places worth crores of rupees, sir. The fact is that many other landowners got scot-free or managed to sell off their lands for huge amount bypassing the Ceiling Act, sir. Sir, when I say this, I would like to also come on record. If I am wrong, I should be corrected, sir. Sir, it is the MIM. My friends from Congress keep asking us, okay, you were friends with BRS, what have you done? Let me come on record and say that if I am wrong. The Revenue Secretary is also there in the box. He should correct me if I am wrong, sir. In last 10 years, sir, last 10 years, on the representation of MIM, on the representation of MIM and on the representation of me, when I stood here and I used to speak, where I would say that Muslims are not having land for burial, sir. The BRS government has given more than 400 acres across the state of Telangana for Muslim burial, sir. If I am wrong, I should be corrected, sir. Sir, I had then also asked and said that in Hyderabad city we do not have burial grounds for Muslims. I would like to come on record and say that Fakir Mullah Dargah, I had then represented to the then Minister K.T. Ramarao Saab, and he spoke and he gave 50 acres of land for the burial of Muslims, sir. Hyderabad mein Fakir Mullah ki waqf ki zameen hai. Government is saying it's their land. Work board is saying it's our land. So I told KT Ramarao Saab and KCR Saab then, कि साहब ये दोनों लड़ रहे हैं, जिसके भी हक में फैसला आएगा ये 50 एकड़ तो दे दीजिए. 50 acres was given, sir. In COVID, that was the place where we used to take the dead bodies of the COVID patients and we used to bury them there, sir. And what a time it was. What a time it was, sir. Nobody was wanting to dig the graves. Nobody was wanting to touch the one who has died because of coronavirus. Sir, it was me, my party, my trust, sir, where we used to dig the grave. हम जमीन खोदते थे, खबर खोदते थे, मैयत को हम नहलाते थे, कफन पहनाते थे और वहां पे तदफीन करते थे. तो कोविड के दौर में 200 से ज्यादा लोगों की तदफीन शहर के हमने वहां की, जिसके लिए मैं बीआरएस का केटी रामाराव साहब का शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं. Sir, and this doesn't end here. If I am wrong, it should be corrected by the Revenue Secretary, and he should say that, no, Mr. Owaisi, you're saying wrong. Not only this, sir. Sir, I would like to also bring to the kind notice of the government, sir, on the representation of MIM. Sir, we said कि हैदराबाद में सुन्नी है, शिया है, मैदवी है, बोहरे है और सारे सेक्ट के लोग हैं, sir. So at that time, sir, on our representation, Honorable, the then Chief Minister, sir, he had given 125 acres, sir. 125 acres, sir. Abdullah Purmet, survey number 233, 20 acres. Tala Kondapalli, 42 acres. Kundur, 10 acres, sir. 72.22. Medchal, sir, 35 acres, sir. Shamirpet, 16 acres. And then again total this was 52 acres, sir. Or, sir, I have also